that ever did road.
We're arriving at the Space Center. Very exciting, there's rockets and stuff.
Turn right now.
Kennedy Space Center.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are at Kennedy Space Center today to do lots of exciting space stuff, which I'm more excited about than Stevie is.
I miss Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, you miss Mickey. You've not seen Mickey for like 2 days.
I know.
Already pre-purchased tickets for this, and I have them in my wallet, so we can go straight to the entrance. The NASA globe. Lots of spacey stuff in the background. Little map of the centre itself. Alright, rockets. Stevie's amazed already. This one's quite a small rocket, Stevie, but it's still pretty big. That rocket that we just walked along was a Saturn 18 rocket, and when complete it was 223 feet tall, which is pretty tall. This here is just the engine from a Saturn V rocket, which is what we're going to see later. Actually really quiet here today. I'm expecting it to be fairly busy, but actually quiet, which is good. All we've got here is a concept vehicle for a Mars rover. Oh, pretty awesome. Look at that. This is a capsule from the SLS, which is the Space Launch System, which is the current system that's in use, utilising technology from old capsule on top of a rocket module, combined with technology from the space shuttle as well. This here is made out of Lego, made in 2002, based on images that NASA provided to the Lego company, and that's 130 kilograms of Lego right there. A lot of bricks. I sat down on the bus, ready to go on the bus tour over to the Saturn and Apollo stuff.
This mobile launch platform was used for the last launch of Atlantis 2011. Crawler gets an amazing 32 feet per gallon of diesel fuel.
Just got off the bus tour and we're now at the Apollo and Saturn V Center. View across all the consoles, the launch control.
You are now in the final minutes before the launch of Apollo 8, right here where it actually happened.
This is launch control, T-minus 3 minutes and counting. 10, 9, 4.
The Saturn V rocket. This thing is huge. It's an actual van, an RV, that took the astronauts out to the launch pad. You can see inside there, and the astronauts actually sat in there with their spacesuits on. Size comparison here, showing you how big the Saturn V rocket actually is. The same height as 2 space shuttles or 9 Kennedy Space Center tour buses. It's taller than 2 Statues of Liberty. It's 2.4 times the size of the Statue of Liberty. 4.4 size, 4.4 Mercury Redstone rockets. The length of an American football field. Weighs 6.2 million pounds. Which is about the same as 7 Boeing 747 jumbo jets. View back to where we came from. down there, all the way down the other end of this building. View of the moon buggy. It's really cool. Lunar lander here. See what they use to land on the moon itself. Hence it's been called the lunar lander, of course. A set of instructions here for how they actually got the lunar module out of the top of the rocket. This bit here, which is this, ejected out at the top stage. They had to turn around and then attach back onto the top of the lunar lander, and then the whole thing would come out so that the astronauts could go into the lander and actually land on the moon. Really amazing to see. Quite a complicated manoeuvre to pull while you're out in space. Just having some lunch in the Moon Rock Cafe.
Got a moon pie.
Yeah, we got a moon pie, because as the lady at the till said, what better place to have a moon pie. Stevie's got some...
It's lemonade but by Tropicana.
Oh, cool.
I think I was meant to add a little bit more water to it, it's really nice.
It's quite strong. I just got some Diet Pepsi, but I got it in a souvenir Kennedy Space Center cup. And I've got a turkey pastrami sandwich with no salad, which the lady ridiculed me for and told Stevie she needs to school me.
Whip you into shape.
Yeah, I need to be whipped into shape and told to eat more salad.
I tell you all the time, you take no notice of me. I can't.
Stevie has a roast beef sandwich, and she does have the salad.
I do.
Looks
I'm
very good.
and I eat my salad.
Yeah, it's all freshly made in front of us. Looks really good.
I don't know how to pick it up.
Yeah, might need both hands. How's your sandwich, Stevie?
Fresh and nice and not fast food and not greasy.
Yeah, definitely looks like the most nutritious meal we've had since we got here. Turkey pastrami sandwich is really tasty. Here's the moon pie. Let's give this a go. Moon pie is interesting. It's kind of like, it's not a cake and it's not a biscuit. You've got marshmallow in between. It's
Like a wagon wheel.
Yeah, a little bit like a wagon wheel. Yeah, tasty. Alright, let's have a look around the Treasures Gallery. It's the actual capsule from Apollo 14. You can see right inside there. Piece of moon rock that was collected by Apollo 15. This is Alan Shepard's actual spacesuit from Apollo 14. That grey stuff down on the legs is actual moon dust. This is Jim Lovell's flight suit from Apollo 13. It's a little view here. You can see the vehicle assembly building over there. Stevie's getting in place ready for launch. Pro photographer. Stood at the top of the terraced seating. To zoom in quite a little bit there to show you the launch pad off in the distance. Lovely views from here. Stevie's going to tell us about some of the NASA facts.
I'll end up being wrong now and people are going to comment like, no, it's stupid.
Now the facts that Stevie learned on the Kennedy Space Center bus tour.
So 140,000 acres of land for the wildlife reserve. It's like all around NASA and we're in the way. There's it was either 340 or 360 species of animal. Over half of those are on the threatened or endangered species list. And 170 species of bird are included, I believe. I think. Cool. That bit might be wrong, I might have made that last bit up.
Yes, you remember a lot better than I do.
But yeah, 140,000 acres, 360 or 340 types. They estimate 6,000 alligators.
Yeah, just in the Kennedy Space Center.
Yeah, just here. But he made quite a funny joke that they've guesstimated that as people who have been sent out to count them have never come back.
Oh no! So we've actually got a sample that was taken on Apollo 17 here, and you can touch a piece of the moon.
You missed the
Yeah,
gap.
I missed the gap. Yeah, there we go. There's me touching some moon. Gonna touch the moon too, Stevie. Anyway, you've touched a bit of the moon.
It just feels like ceramic or something.
Yeah. It's actually
Cold lava.
cooled moon lava.
Moon lava.
There's a little tribute section here to the astronauts from Apollo 1 who sadly lost their lives. We've got some artefacts here belonging to each of the astronauts who sadly perished. Here's the actual hatches from the Apollo 1 spacecraft. Like this projection onto the water vapour. A replica of the walk that the astronauts would have taken into the module. And they are strapped in, ready for launch. In the gift shop now, Stevie's found a teddy bear.
In a
It sure
space
does.
suit.
It says Space Teddy.
$9.99.
Yeah. Little model space shuttles.
Is that one of them that you pull back and it rolls?
Yeah, it looks like it. $9.99. That's not too bad actually for that. Get some astronaut freeze-dried ice cream. Actual space food. $4.99 each. Not too bad. Space shuttle snow globe.
Space pig.
Space pig. Got a selection of different magnets. All seem to be $5.99 each. Yeah. They're not bad. Quite chunky. These Christmas decorations are pretty neat. Santa and Rudolph there in a space capsule. That's awesome. So you get an astronaut Snoopy. It's really cool. Even if it is $29.99.
It's to celebrate NASA's 50 years.
Little teeny tiny NASA baby goes. You can have a space baby.
Quite like this one.
Yeah.
That's more fun.
Santa riding on a space shuttle with a little wreath on the front. Got these posters that change as you move around. They're pretty neat. Changing poster is $13.99. Not a bad price. Something that's really interesting to look at. Right, so we had a really fun exploration there of the Apollo Saturn V Visitor Center. Now we're going to get back on the bus over to the main Kennedy Space Center Visitor Center, have a look at some more exhibits there.